Hi, I'm Benjamin, and the first formative experience I would like to tell you about is out of my childhood. I was a really unsure, shy child, but I was able to play accordion. And there was a project in school where everyone was supposed to work for one day and then the money would get donated. And I was always thinking that I wanted to make street music, but I never had the courage to do it. But then I thought I just will do it then. Like I will make street music for that one day. And when this day came, I actually had to make street music because if I wouldn't play, there would not be any money that I could donate. And this was making me jump over my shadow, which would change my life. From that moment onwards, I would do regular street music, which would lead to art gallery, birthday, or even funeral music bookings. And I was realizing that I can bring happiness to people with what I create, that I can create value to other people. The second key experience I want to tell you about is out of my last internship at DSB. There I was doing internships with different departments to find automation opportunities and then rank them according to the return on investments. And there I was also identifying an automation opportunity, which I also was fortunate enough to be able to automate it myself, or that I was allowed to make it myself. And this was really exciting because this would in the end improve customer satisfaction, it would improve demand, it would improve the satisfaction of the handyman, at the same time lower our administrative costs. And there I was really seeing the excitement of building something that creates value for many years to come and seeing the impact of how the processes change after automating things. And this was making me really excited. The third thing which I want to tell you about is the project which I gave to myself, which is the AI voice call assistant, which I was building myself. So I was starting to, this is quite a big deal, right? Some company make this to their main product and just develop an AI voice call assistant. I was starting this without experience in how fast the API works, how I can code on a server, how I can set up a system which runs 24/7. I had no idea about WebSockets or how I can connect my code with a call provider. I didn't know any of this, but I could figure all of this out. And this was changing my mind in a way that I thought I can do everything. And if not, I can figure it out. And with this confidence from that moment onwards, I was moving forward, mitigating the doubt in myself and thus allowing me to solve problems more efficiently and with more joy. I would like to work for any campus as a lead of tomorrow, and I want to work as a lead of tomorrow for 3 reasons. The first reason is fast, hands-on experience and a steep learning curve. The second reason is that you give the opportunity to understand the construct of the whole company by allowing the switching of different departments. And the third reason is that I see an opportunity here to take responsibility and ownership to drive any campus success forward. And that is what I want. I want to drive any campus success forward because I think in general traveling can be quite boring, or people are often failing to find the adventure, or it can be also very stressful sometimes to plan everything in advance where one want to stay. But with an indie camper, you can stop at any moment if you think like this view is amazing, you want to have a look, or you can stay at a campsite one more day if you feel like staying one more day, or you can drive to somewhere where you didn't even plan to go to before. You give people access to this adventure. You give people access to this freedom. And I want to be part of giving people access to this. I think I will, how I imagine giving access to this, or how I imagine to contribute value to companies, probably working in a techie area of your company, maybe as a data analyst, building dashboards, or in the automations departments to understand the structure of automations, maybe give some new insights on our ideas and also implement automations and generate something that can create value for many years to come for any campus success. This is what I want to strive for. I hope you will consider my application. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.